You know when it's one of those hot summer days and all you want to eat is something light and refreshing?
That's why I'm making a super simple yet incredibly flavorful runner bean soup. I use a chopper to dice my veggies, by the way. I'm leaving the link in the description for you. It's pretty handy. You want smallish cubes of onions and carrots. Add them to a large soup pot, cover, bring to boil and simmer for 10 minutes. You want to core and dice a bell pepper. Dave loves potatoes in anything, so I peel a couple of potatoes in small chunks. They add more heartiness to the soup. Add them in the pot, and while those are simmering, I like to give canned tomatoes a little boost of flavor. Saute them with a good glug of olive oil for a few minutes. Trust me, it makes such a difference. Okay, with the runner beans, give them a good wash, top and tail them, and chop into inch-sized pieces. Check if the potatoes are tender. Then it's time to add the beans and vegetable broth. Simmer for a couple of minutes only to keep the runner beans vibrant green. Nearly done. Let's bring this soup together. Stir in the sauteed tomatoes, add a little salt and taste. I love lovage. I'm going to pick some from my herb garden. Lovage adds a unique celery-like flavor that really makes this soup the gazpacho of the Balkans, but if you don't have it, no worries, the soup is delicious, just with parsley too. Garnish the bowl and eat it hot or cold. It's also great for meal prep. Make a big batch and enjoy it throughout the week. If you love this recipe, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more flexitarian recipes.